The ultimate organic experience for glowy, sparkly eyes this Christmas and New Year that can come straight from your fridge and mean that you've got spare cash to spend on amazing Christmas presents and skincare for yourself. That's the plan today. So, you hear me speaking lots about skincare, and quite frequently I always say it's really not that drastically different to cooking. And so today I am in my kitchen. This is my real kitchen. This is where I cook daily. And I want to talk about these. For me, I don't know if it's the same for you, but for me, when I put my makeup on, for me, my eyes are the thing. They are the big thing. It's the bit I like most of me. It's the bit that I think represents personality, and when I'm worried about wrinkles, this would be where I'd be concerned about first. So eyes are so important, and making sure that they're not puffy, that you haven't got bags, that you're preventing aging is such a huge thing in the skincare industry. And obviously I've done videos and will carry on doing videos about eye creams and all the things you need to do. But today I wanted to go for the natural kitchen versions. What are you going to do to make sure that your eyes are just at their ultimate best? Number one, getting rid of something first, sugar. There is nothing that I have seen, and this is really personal experience, my sister-in-law having done it, then me having done it, that will take the whites of your eyes from cream colored to bright white, then getting rid of sugar. So if you're really in this, it's quite a big ask, but I would take away sugar. I have then got a few things from the kitchen that are worth trying. Almost think of them as like eye masks, eye treatments. The next number, the number 2, you will know about, but it's such a goodie. Just don't underestimate the power of the cucumber. So, always been there, amazing. Even in spas we will do it. Just such, even now, like really cold, great access. You'll have this all the time. Like lie them on cleanse your face, lie them on your eyes, 10-15 minutes, slightly rinse it away, or not even rinse it away, pat in your eye cream and off you go. Really sparkly, really good at reducing circles and puffiness. Probably puffiness number 1 for your cucumber. Not so frequent. You could also do some potato eyes. Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head. So, take a raw potato, slice it up, thin slices, put them on your eyes. Similar concept, potatoes have enzymes in that are really good around the eye area, but use it like the cucumber. Put it on, you have to lie still, great lie still for 10 minutes and take it off. So like another type of eye mask. Third up, make yourself a cuppa. Is this kettle boiled yet? Okay, boil kettle, tea bag, tiny bit of brewing, bring it out and then let the tea bag cool down. So you want the tea bag to be cold. They are really good around the eyes at like reducing patchy color and trying to make the whole area look more even. So you would need 2, just like that. Again, another form of eye mask. So we've got our cucumbers, our tea bags, our potatoes. Next one up is rose water. So probably you could distill your own rose water, but it's probably going to be easier to buy it. I would go for an organic rose water. Pink's Boutique have one, but you'll find multiple, but go for an organic rose water. And you can pat it onto the eyes, you can spray it, you could use it as your toner, but immense powers. I've used ours loads, and like if anyone in my family has ever got black eyes or is reacting to anything, they're very good at taking down that swelling and making that eye area look calm and happy and sparkly once again. So we've had some flowers, we've had some roses, let's go herbs now. Another fab eye mask is to take the incredible color and potency of turmeric. You're going to put turmeric with a little bit of milk. Don't go too heavy on the milk because you want to make it into a paste, and honey, ideally organic milk and honey, and pop them into a bowl, stir them up, and then literally use this as a paste to go on as an eye mask. A bit like when you'd put a normal mask on your face. This is an eye specific one. Leave it on 10 minutes, rinse off. Give it a go. Let me know in the comments, tell me how it went, or better still, if you've got any photos of you doing your turmeric eye mask, then I would love to see them too. Once you've done any amount of those beginning ones we've just gone through, because really they're almost like mask concepts, there are some other elements that you should really do, which are kind of like exercise and massage. So you've fed the area and you've used all your real natural ingredients, then you need to do some exercises and some massage for the area. So exercises for eyes, if you Google exercises for the eye area, you'll find some. But I mean, one of the most obvious ones is to do like 10 sets of really closing and screwing your eyes down. And then literally like bright wide popping open, and keep doing it. That class is as an eye exercise, just like going to the gym. You are going to still want an eye cream because you still want all of the major ingredients of the beauty industry that are probably all inspired by the kitchen in the first place. But I like to use both. I need to make sure the kitchen bit and then the real eye cream bit. And any time, which should be AM, PM, that you're putting that eye cream on, make use of it. So I've done a video for you on how to apply it. You want to make sure very light ring finger and lots of upwards lifting movements. So you are literally ironing. So this has all been about ultimately giving your eyes the best chance naturally, using natural ingredients, using natural exercise and massage techniques to make sure that you are looking your sparkly white-eyed best. So I've mixed up my turmeric eye paste and I'm going to use it tonight. And on my Insta stories, I will show you close-up of it, paste, how it goes on, what the results are. So obviously this video isn't going live tonight, but make sure you follow Pink's Boutique 1 on Instagram, because when we record these, you'll get all of those highlights and that kind of inside information first and before anyone else. So make sure that you follow there, and on Facebook as well at Pink's Boutique. YouTube, thank you for looking at all these amazing kitchen eye masks with me, and please hit me up with kind of any that you have done, any we should share and add to the list, pictures, any kind of awesome feedback, and make sure that you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comments down below, and I will see you soon, possibly in the kitchen, possibly back in the spa. But you know what, for me the two are so closely integrated, and it's just something that nobody talks about enough. So you may well see me popping up with my little chef hat on, as well as my beauty tunic. I will see you soon.